While the rugged new 2019 G-Class retains a boxy profile and looks much the same as before, Mercedes says only 3 parts are carryover: the door handles, spare tire cover, and headlight washers. More significant, this go-anywhere Mercedes SUV, still built in Graz, Austria, has a stronger and all-new body-on-frame chassis with independent front suspension, replacing the former G's live front axle. 3 locking differential, center, rear, front ensure that the new G can still tackle tough terrain. Under its aluminum hood, the 2019 Mercedes-Benz is powered by a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 that produces a 416 horsepower and 450 foot-pounds of torque. That's good for a 0 to 60 mile per hour sprint of 5.6 seconds. The G63 version has 577 horsepower. The G-Class has a lot of safety features, some of which are anti-lock brakes, stability control, front impact airbags, side impact airbags, overhead airbags, knee airbags, pre-tensioners, anti-whiplash system, and a security system.